One is Argos pour Femme, which I think is completely underrated. A lot of the other Argos fragrances get more attention, and this one completely flies under the radar. This was a blind buy for me last year, and one of the very few successful blind buys that I have. I absolutely love this. This is date night, but I have worn it to work, and I think it is an upscale work perfume. It has some florals in here. There are some aromatics in here. Oh my gosh, absolutely love this. I used to think it was kind of quiet wearing until I sprayed 12 to 15 times one time, wore to work. I mean, people could smell me down the hall. So if you spray like 2 to 4 times, yes, it's going to be light wearing. But if you spray more, if you're a little bit heavy on the trigger, there's a sweet spot in here. Absolutely gorgeous. This is an easy grab for date night. Very user-friendly. This definitely could be a signature scent. The only time I wouldn't wear it is in a super casual setting, or if I was going to the gym. It's a little bit too fancy pants for that. Absolutely love it. And this is compliment central right here.